Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Take 2. Today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can schedule more than one Zoom meeting. So, I'll be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one. And if you have any problem or any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now, without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to go to your Zoom app. Once you go over there, you'll be having this option which says schedule just below new meetings. Just go over here and it will load. Now just have it as you prefer, so just choose your date and then choose the time up to when, and then choose up to which date, and then you can also, let's say, have your meeting name as per your requirement. If you want to repeat it, just go with daily at this time, or anything like that. You can name or email address the attendees that you know and just press on save. So now you can see it's already like scheduled. So as you want to have more, you just go over here and just go and then have more and more schedule your meeting like that. So that's pretty much, guys. That's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.